112 कॉल करपाचे. आम्ही लेडीज रोखडो स्टाफ येता. तसोच जेंट्साक खंय एक कोण पिन पडला किंवा तुमकां पुरुषांक त्रास जाता जाल्यार आमचे रोबोटिक स्टाफ येवंक शकता. पूण तुम्ही येयला पळय न्हू तेन्ना तुम्ही खंय एका जाग्यार आसली की न्हू अशी झगडी बिगडी कांय करपाचें ना. बरे भशेन येवपाचें, बरे भशेन एन्जॉय करपाचें. खंय जर तुमकां कोणी त्रास करता जाल्यार तुमी रोखडेच ह्या नंबराचेर कॉल करपाचें. पुलीस केन्नाय तुमकां हेल्प करूंक शकता. तशेंच एका गर्देन एका कोणाची बायल सांडली, कोणाचे भुरगे सांडले जाल्यार सुद्दां आमी तुमकां पिंक स्टाफ हेल्प करपाक रोखडे येवंक शकता. तशेंच तुम्ही हांगा आयला पळय न्हू तेन्ना कितें खाल्लें कितें केलें जाल्यार तें न्हू अशें खंय उडोवपाचें ना. डस्टबीन तुमकां प्रत्येक जाग्यार दवरलेलें आसा. त्या डस्टबिनानूच तुमी उडोवपाचें आनी बरें आपूण येयला तें एन्जॉय करपाचें आनी बरे भशेन तुमचें हें करून आनंदान रावपाचें. जर एका हॉटेलान तुमकां कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाता तर कलंगूट पुलीस स्टेशन लागीं आसा. तसोच आमी हे जे नंबर तुमकां दिता पळय आतां आमी एक टुरिस्टांक तुमकां थोड्याक पॅम्पलेट दितली. तेजेर नंबर आसा, आमचे सगळे हेल्पलायन नंबर आसा. त्या हेल्पलायन नंबराचेर तुमी आमकां कॉल करपाचें. आमी 10 मिनटां येवंक शकता. पूण तुमी मस्ती करपाचें ना. खंय सोरोपीन खंय बाटल्यो बिटल्यो उडोवपाचें ना. बऱ्या भशेन एन्जॉय करपाचें.
Hello, good evening everyone. Tourists present over at Kalangut Beach. I welcome everyone to Goa and I wish you all happy vacations in Goa. As my senior officer who was giving a talk on women helpline, I would like to brief a little thing on this. As a tourist, you come to a Goa for an enjoyment and you enjoy your holidays very nicely. As she said, do not drink. And if you have any problem, you have to contact nearest police station, that is Kalangut police station. If there is any problem regarding women, you can contact the women helpline which has been given on this pamphlet which will be distributed to the persons who will coming here. And in regards to some traffic, I would like to tell you something that you come to Goa as a tourist, but keep in the mind that being a tourist, you follow the rules and regulations that are being laid by the Goa government. The MD rules are same all over the India. Here you come and you say, चलता है चल गोवा है कुछ भी चलेगा खाएंगे पिएंगे मजा करेंगे. But this is not the thing. Keep in the mind when you come to Goa, there is somebody behind you who is waiting for you, who is for your return journey back to home. So when you come to Goa, come safely. You go back to Goa from Goa. You be safe. So whenever you are riding, driving, kindly follow the rules and regulations that are laid down by the traffic. Do not drink and drive. शराब पी के गाड़ी नहीं चलाना. गोवा में शराब मिलता है, इसका अर्थ नहीं है कि शराब जैसे पिएंगे जैसे गाड़ी अपनी मन मर्जी से गाड़ी चलाएंगे. ये बहुत बुरी बात है. So you are giving an impact when you are drinking, you are driving, when you come under the circumstances where you meet with an accident, the name of Goa gets spoiled. You say Goa hai, chal khayenge, piyenge, maja karenge. So this concept should not be there. Goa is really a beautiful place. There are many from the beaches. There are nice temples where you can go visit and see explore them. When you are driving, drive carefully. Wear a seat belt. The moment you sit or inject your engine, you see that you fasten yourself with the seat belt. The moment you sit on the bike, it is a mandatory that you have to wear a helmet. Drink and drive is not allowed. Similarly, speaking on mobile is also not allowed. As per Supreme Court guidelines, there are 7 sections in where when you violate this section, your driving license gets suspended. So these are the sections are: not wearing helmet, drinking and driving, talking on mobile, not wearing a seat belt, okay, carrying passengers in the good carriage. So your life is very important. You live happily, you enjoy the beauty of Goa, and let everyone enjoy. This for last few days you must have been hearing the increased rate in accident that has took place. But now the traffic, the new year is also coming closer. The tourists are also visiting in dense populations, like I would like to say. But be careful. Whatever has been told to you, just abide by the rules and regulations and follow the instructions given time to time. Follow the wherever there are signboards, follow the signboards. Whenever there are junctions, follow the signboards which is showing which way you have to go. Informatory boards are there where you have to see where you have to go. And be happy, be safe.
സുനിത എന്തായാലും ഇതിലേ പോവുക തെങ്ങ് പോലെ അല്ലേ
आमके यांच्यातून फ्रेंडफेअर भेटतं ना फोटो काढून
पॅम्पलेट इथं असताना
सीट बेल्ट घालपाचे आणि अशी तुमची काळे गाडचे असले काळे हातचे असले जाल्यार तुमकां फायन आसूं रोडार कोणी आसता सुशेगाद आपली गाडी सुशेगाद येवपा जाय तशी सुशेगाद येवपाची भाषा येईना मल्याळम आमकां मल्याळम येईना
हिंदी चालू
देखो जब तुम तुम्हारी गाड़ी लेके नजर आता है गोवा में गोवा अच्छा सब हिंदी भी नहीं देखने को आता है गोवा अच्छा है इधर आने का अच्छे से रहने का अच्छे से जाने का और तुम्हारी गाड़ी आते समय उधर ट्रैफिक ब्लॉक होता है कुछ होता है तो गाड़ी चलाते समय पहले सीट बेल्ट डालने का और दारू पी के गाड़ी नहीं चलाने का अब तुम सेफ है तो तुम्हारा सब काम अच्छे से आने का अच्छे से मजा करने का और जाना
मॅडम सगळं या
सकाळी या.
सगळं या हा तुला सांगतात
हिंदी
तुमच्या बीचच्या मी एन्जॉय करता येता भायर उडय नाका हांव कितले तीन दिसाचे हांव उलयता सगळे ऑफरा कडेन 50 रुपीज बी फायन कर पंचायत जोडोवपाक सांगला तूं 50 रुपीज फायन कर मागीर सगळे बंद जाता ना तो काय जायना हांगा बियर बॉटल थिंगा घालता थिंगा काय भायर
किती सांगू शकता सर तुम्ही
I am trying to tell you is that you all have to come with a solution of finding these people even 20 or 50 rupees will be a nice thing because they will then learn to how to discipline and enjoy themselves because this beach is a creation of the Lord and if God has made something for everybody then we have to respect the thing. In your house you will not throw the dirt so throw it in the dustbin, eat and go and throw it in the dustbin, keep it in your bag and throw it in the dustbin. Please do not destroy nature. Second thing, there are accidents happening. The youngsters are coming from all over, speeding up in these bikes, drinking and speeding. They have to be also pulled at one side and told them perfectly first time. Don't charge them, but tell them perfectly if you are caught drunk or you're this thing. Police are doing a wonderful job in Goa, but how much can a police do also? But if the panchayat charges a small amount of 50 rupees, there will be discipline in the beaches in Goa, because the fish is consuming that,
Yes.
and we are also eating the same fish, and we are getting cancer and all other illnesses. So we have to save human life by saving the creation
Yes,
what God has made.
तुम्ही सरपंच
वो सरपंच बिन मांडले पॉइंट
But I don't think this so busy असलेलो जोझफ. तो म्हाका मेवपाक जाय ताका उलयपाक.
आणि सेकंड पॉइंट आम्ही जेन्ना बिचार येयले तेन्ना पयलें वी हॅव सीन द लॉट्स ऑफ स्ट्रीट डॉग्स ओवर हियर.
Yeah, dogs. Plenty of dogs are there, and they are just kept by the shack people. You understand?
Okay.
So the shack people also should be responsible
How
that
they-
these things will not destroy or bite any human being on the beach.
How dangerous it could be to the tourists.
Exactly. I agree to this. You're right. Even you all speak and I as well. Because this is, you make your money. I'm not stopping you. You all earn money because you have to earn. But don't keep things which will destroy human creation and hurt somebody by getting bites by animals or anything. This is my only request. If every human person from a childhood till a old age person can understand, it will help Goa to become a better place.
येस सर.
Your
God
good
bless
name,
you.
sir?
Leave you.
You're from Goa also.
मागची येऊन दे ना.
वॉकिंग करपाक डेली.
Chhe.